Hello everyone, welcome to the HardVC channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the post-process quality in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then we're going to go to the video tab and then scroll down until we find post-process quality. So now you can just open up this drop-down and adjust this to whatever quality that you want, so low, medium, high, and ultra. So just select the options that you want, and then once you've done that, you can just press save and exit out, and your options will be applied. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.